Procedure established by law versus due process of law. Procedure established by law is an English concept. Due process of law is an American concept. Procedure established by law says कि जब आप किसी को ये कहते हो कि आपने लॉ को वायलेट किया है तो आपको तीन चीजें देखनी होती. फर्स्ट, that the action that has been committed has violated a law. It means there is a law which has been violated. Second, the law has been made by a competent legislature. जैसे कि समझ लो यूनियन का सब्जेक्ट है और स्टेट ने बना दिया लॉ उस पे, तो स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर इज नॉट कॉम्पिटेंट टू मेक अ लॉ ऑन यूनियन सब्जेक्ट or subject included in union list. So first thing is you have to see whether a law has been violated or not. If the answer is yes, go to the second thing. Second says whether the law has been made by a competent legislature. If the answer is yes, third thing you have to see whether the competent legislature has followed the procedure or the law making procedure. जैसे कि अगर पार्लियामेंट ने लॉ बनाया है तो बिल लाना पड़ेगा. ऑर्डिनरी बिल है तो लोकसभा राज्यसभा दोनों में उसको इंट्रोड्यूस होगा, दोनों में उस पर डिस्कशन होगा, दोनों में वो पास होगा. डेडलॉक हो गया तो जॉइंट सिटिंग होगी, उसके बाद प्रेसिडेंट के पास जाएगा, प्रेसिडेंट उसको साइन करेंगे या वीटो कर देंगे या जो भी करेंगे. अगर साइन कर दिया तो वो लॉ बनेगा, फिर उसको नोटिफाई करना पड़ेगा. So whether all these procedures have taken place or not, that is procedure established by law. Procedure established by law does not go into the question of the fairness, the justness, the reasonableness of the law. A law could be completely unreasonable, but it will still uphold the test of procedure established by law if it fulfills three conditions. First, the law was in existence when the crime was committed. Second, the law was made by competent legislature and the competent legislature followed all the process of law making properly. Due process of law इन तीनों के अलावा एक और चीज देखता है, which is the fairness and reasonableness ingrained in the law or the fair application of the law. Due process of law actually talks about the principle of natural justice. Principle of natural justice says what? That everybody should be given a chance to say something in his or her defense. It means the right to be heard. First thing. Second, no man should be, and when I say man, I include woman and others also in that, nobody should be a judge of his or her own case. And third, the authority or the state should act with bona fide intentions. Bona fide matlab with good intentions and not with malified intentions. That is the principle of natural justice. और natural justice आप ध्यान रखो, ये सिर्फ state के मामले में ही नहीं लागू होता, ये हर जगह लागू होता है. In business transaction also, even in personal relations. Natural justice means you must give the opportunity to the person to say something in his or her defense. Second is that you cannot be the sole judge of a particular case. And third, you must act with bona fide intentions and not with malified intentions. So due process of law ingrains the concept of natural justice.